Nah. Deborah, what is your matter? Hey, hey, hey. Tell me fantastic. Come on. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gold Coast of Beauty. Hope you guys are doing really well. Welcome back to another Tuesdays. Come on a Thursday. So this is part 2, following on from last week's video in regards to family members and family relations. Thank you guys so much, all those that left an emoji in the comment section. That video has now become top 5 in regards to engagement, which is crazy. So if you can't think of a comment, leave an emoji and you will be blessed. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Guys, let's get started. So the next one is sibling, and this is going to help us for the next few ones. So sibling is enuya. So sister would be enuya or onuya ba, and brother would be onuya berima. So now we're sort of saying sibling, female or girl, and then we're saying sibling, male or boy. So remember, oba, female or girl, or berima, male or boy. Enuya ba, enuya berima. So sister is enuya ba, and brother is enuya berima. So try and understand it logically. So we're talking about siblings, onuya, minuya, and the only thing that differentiates a brother and a sister is their sex. One is a male and one is a female. So you know that onuya or enuya is a sibling. So now let's differentiate it. So I want a female sibling. Okay, then that means oba, enuya ba. And now I'm thinking, okay, a male sibling, enuya berima. I really hope that makes sense. So now we're going to have a look at older and younger siblings. So the word for older is penyi and younger is kakra. I have twins in my family, so the older one is often referred to as penyi and the younger one is kakra. And if you think about it, we talked about one of our first ever videos. Kakra means small, like do you speak Twi? Oh, kakra. So it sort of falls into that category. So penyi, the older one, kakra, the younger one. So penyi ni kakra. Penyi, older, kakra, younger. So as I said, penyi is older, kakra is younger, but also for younger you can use kitwa or you can use kuma. Kuma means younger, smaller. Kitwa means something that's small. So we basically said we have a sibling who is a female, but now we want to say that this sibling who's a female, aka our sister, is older than us. So onia ba penyi. Onia, sibling, ba, female or girl, penyi, older. Onia ba penyi. Let's say we wanted to say an older brother. Onia berima penyi. Onia, the sibling, berima, male or boy, penyi, older. Penyi ni kakra. Penyi, older, kakra, younger. Onia berima kuma. Onia berima kitwa. So that's my younger brother or my younger sister. Onia ba penyi, older, sister. Onia berima kitwa, younger brother. So you can switch between kitwa and kuma. I like kitwa better, but kuma is allowed. So grandparent and grandchild. Grandparent is nana. Grandchild is nana. I feel like grandchild is a bit softer and possibly a bit higher, but they're definitely different sounds. So nana, grandparent, grandchild, nana. Make that differentiation. I know it's like weird, but you have to. So grandparent, nana, nana. Grandchild, nana, nana. So back to sort of making the differentiation between male and female side of things. We're going to do grandmother and grandfather, and the only thing that differentiates it is, remember, oba is a female or girl, and oberima is a male or boy. So nana for grandparent, and then you say nana ba, which would be a grandparent who is a female. Nana berima, a grandparent who is a male. It's not too hard. Come on, it's not too hard. Come on. So nana ba, nana berima, nana, nana, nana ba, nana berima, nana ba, grandmother, nana berima, grandfather, nana ba, grandmother, nana berima, grandmother. Oh, wrong. Hey, checking you, tricking you. Nana ba, grandmother, nana berima, grandfather. So for auntie is sewa, sewa, auntie, sewa, sewa, auntie, sewa, sewa, uncle, wofa, wofa. Remember the backwards C that we have in the alphabet? Oh, wofa, wofa. If you haven't watched the alphabet video, you need to watch it. That's going to help you in anything that we do. It's really, really helpful. So uncle, wofa, wofa. Auntie, sewa, sewa. Uncle, wofa, wofa. Auntie, sewa, sewa. So nephew or niece would be wofase, wofase. Nephew or niece, wofase, 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 wofase. Me wofase nie, me wofase nie. So nephew or niece would be wofase, wofase. That's for nephew or niece. Wofase, wofase. The word for cousin is wofaba, wofaba. Cousin, wofaba, wofaba. Actually, now that I think about it, it's a bit unfair because obviously wofa is your uncle and ba is child. It's like your uncle's child, but really the lady had a baby. So like, what are you trying to? This Texas world that we're living in. So cousin, wofaba, wofaba, not wofaba to make it female. Wofaba, ba, me ba, my child. Wofaba, uncle's child. Wofaba, that's cousin. So now moving on to husband and wife. For husband is oknu, 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 and wife is oyire, oyire, oyire. Husband oknu, oknu. Wife oyire, oyire. Me yire nie, me yire nie. Okunu, okunu is husband. Oyire is wife. Oyire, wife. Okunu, okunu is husband. Oyire is wife. Oyire is wife. Okunu, husband. Okunu, husband. Oyire is wife. Oyire is wife. So the general word for in-law is asil, asil. So in-law, asil, asil. That's the general word for in-law. Asil, asil. So keep that in your mind. That's going to help us with mother and father-in-law. Sister-in-law and brother-in-law are just a bit different. So mother-in-law, asiba, asiba. Remember, ba is the female or girl, and asil is the in-law. So asiba, asiba is mother-in-law. And guess what father-in-law is? Guess? Asiberima, asiberima. So mother-in-law, asiba. Father-in-law, asiberima, asiberima. So this rule kind of completely changes for brother and sister-in-law. So sister-in-law is ekuma, 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 and brother-in-law is akunta, akunta. There's this thing when they're having a wedding, like a traditional wedding, well, the real wedding it should be called actually. They have this thing called akuntasikain, which is like the brother-in-law's sword. So the husband to be has to give the brother-in-law something so that they act as like a protector, if, like for them when they're married and stuff. It's quite interesting. So akunta, akunta is brother-in-law, ekuma is sister-in-law. Ekuma, ekuma, brother-in-law, akunta, 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 sister-in-law, ekuma, ekuma. The word for fiance, fiance, boyfriend, girlfriend, if you're not married, you don't really have anything special. So there's one word for all those, and it's impna, impna. So it's impna, impna. That's for boyfriend, girlfriend, fiance, fiance. You all put in the same category unless you're married. They don't really respect you. Impna, impna, impna. That's your song. Mimpina pina. Ayen trim pina pina. But to trim pina, ha! That's something different.
Translate these three words to English. Onya berima. Onya berima. Kitwa. Kitiwa. Siwa. Siwa. Wafasi. Wafasi. Asiba. Asiba. Asiberima. Asiberima. Nana berima. Oyere. Oyere. Asil. Asil. Okunu. Okunu. Nana. Nana. Openyi. Openyi. Onya berima kitwa. Akunta. Akunta. Onyaba. Onyaba. Wofa. Wofa. Impna. Impna. Wofaba. Wofaba.